In this video, we're gonna be creating together these cinematic text titles for your Instagram Reels and all your short form content to get this really cool type of minimalistic cinematic look. These titles are perfect for hooks, like I'm gonna be showing you in a little bit, and just captions all around. They're perfect for about anything throughout the video. So without further ado, let's get into these titles. So this is the text title. We're gonna be recreating this cool, really cool cinematic look type of text with these fade ins, the glow, the flicker, everything is just so minimalistic, clean. And these are actually in my cinematic editing style pack. So when I play this, you can actually see all the rest of these text titles. You get all these animations, so all the presets that come with this. You get film borders also, these fonts that you see on screen right now, plus LUTs and so much more. They'll be in the link description with my cinematic editing style pack. Once again, use the code STYLE to save $5 off. And I'll show you how to use these titles, and we're gonna be recreating that first one using the presets from this pack. And if you guys wanna learn how to make these animations from scratch, go check out my other videos. They cover this, but for this video, we're gonna be using this pack. So I show you exactly how to not waste a bunch of your time. So obviously what we wanna do is create our text. So for me, I'm gonna do 5, and then I'll change these fonts later. Cinematic text, and then titles. And you can see that when I made these, I made them all on their own layer. So like for instance, this text is only this word text. Same with this cinematic is only that. You don't want to kablunk these, so you don't want to have more than one word. And now I'm going to rearrange it the way I want. So for the font I want to use is actually, I'm going to highlight these, and you get all these fonts in the pack. So you get this Montserrat, you also get this Cranto, you get this Indivisible, the Arctic, you get all these. They're really cool, they're extra bold, they look absolutely amazing, they're perfect for this type of style. The one I'm gonna be using is the Montserrat. Once again, you can get this in the pack, and I'm gonna use the black because that's my favorite type of style, this bold cinematic look. Okay, awesome. Now for this one, obviously I'm gonna make it purple, so I'm just gonna come over here, make it purple. And for the glow that we want, all I wanna do is come over to the editing style pack. You get all these presets that you can see. You get this LUT that's used in the background. It's just this really cool kind of LUT that just looks really good. And you get also this other LUT, the grain, and all these, but what we wanna do is make this glow. So just grab the cinematic glow, drag and drop it. That was really easy. Now we can make this type of flicker for the cinematic effect. Once again, just go into the cinematic editing style presets, go up to the cinematic, it is the flicker, grab this cinematic flicker, put it onto your text, and boom, now we gotta get this really cool cinematic flicker that we just liked. And because I want it to be a little longer, all you can do is right click, copy it, go like wherever you want it, paste it, and now it's longer. As you can see when I play this, it looks absolutely amazing. And now we can make that type of really cool effect where it pops up. And once again, come over to the cinematic editing style presets, highlight all of these. And what I wanna do is I wanna make them slide up like so. So it's just really cool, boom, just like that. But I can also, if I wanna make them slide down, just grab the slide down and do it just like so. And make sure to offset them. So I'm just going to offset them every like 10 seconds. So I want the 5 to come in, then I want the cinematic to come in. So just grab it, put it to +10, grab this text, and then drag this to 10 again. Titles, make sure to align it with text, and then drag it 10 again, like so. And now we get this really cool effect that looks absolutely amazing. That is so easy and simple. And now I'm just going to kind of cut this. And for the final touches, for this cinematic text titles, I'm going to grab the drop shadow just to make this pop a little more. So I'm not gonna put a drop shadow on the 5 or it's gonna mess with the glow. So what I wanna do is just highlight these and come over to the drop shadow. You can either get a normal or a subtle. I like to just grab the subtle and make sure what it looks like. That looks actually really good, but I also, let's just grab another either subtle, and that looks even better. And maybe grab the normal just to make it pop a little more, and boom. That looks really good, and it's that easy and quick. So now we get this really cool animation. That was literally what, maybe 5 minutes, even less than that. It's that simple and that easy. But let's say I wanted a different one and I don't even want to create these effects by myself. So let's just look through all the titles that you get in the pack. And this is actually a really cool effect that I love. And let's grab, I think this last one. Yeah, I really love this one. So what I can do is just either grab it and put it onto my layer like so, or you could copy and paste it. And now we kind of have it already preset. I obviously want to change the text to see what I'm like saying and everything. So all you do is just double click it, go inside here, change it like so. So let me just go like change the text here. And once you replace it, I just did so change the text here, and it was that easy, that simple. I get this animation in seriously less than like a minute, which is kind of crazy. Really cracked the code here. Once again, go grab this in the link in the description. You can create all this editing style today. I'll pop up a few examples of what I like to do when using this pack, and I'm gonna be making a future video that's coming out soon to really master this pack. So if you wanna go check that out, you can. Make sure to just stick around to the channel. And if you wanna learn more on how to edit just like this and make these from scratch, click this video right over here.